Hey, my name is Craig Myers. We're from Mocksville, North Carolina. We grow chickens for Perdue Farms. We're a layer farm, and we built these houses in 2014, and we picked up eggs by hand for the first 2 flocks, and then we found out about SANOVO, and we put in an egg packing system and a conveyor system, and it's been a blessing ever since. We've been able to keep the same amount of help that we had picking up eggs by hand to do the eggs with the SANOVO people, plus 1 more house. We've added another house and been able to do it with the same amount of help, and that's just phenomenal for us. It's a money saver, labor saver, and they take pride in their work, which is in return shows by the quality and the care that they do with they take care of our eggs.